Okay, this is the angle application for all stations to central. So I'm just going to write it over here, all stations to central. I'm also going to write that this is feeder, 180 minus feeder, 180 plus feeder, and 360 minus feeder. That's what I need to remember. Find all quadrants where sine is greater than 0, so it's positive. So it's the first quadrant and the second. First and second. Where cos is less than 0, so it has to be, well, cos is positive here and here, so the second and the third is where it's less than 0. Where tan is less than 0 and cos is bigger than 0, so it has to be this one. Find the exact ratio of tan 330 degrees. Now, 330 is in the fourth quadrant. So 330 is actually equal to tan 360 minus 330. So it's the same as tan 30, but we know it's got a minus because cos is positive there, not tan. So what's the tan of 30? If I come back up here, or you go to your calculator like I showed you, the tan of 30 is 1 on root 3. So it's minus 1 on root 3. Find the exact value of sine 225. That's in this quadrant, so I have to go 180 plus what is 225. So it's the same as minus sine 45. Why the minus? Because it's in the tan positive quadrant, and I know that's minus 1 on root 2. Okay, find the exact value of cos 550. Now what I didn't explain before is that it keeps going. 0, 90, 180, 270, 360, add another 90, that's 450. So 510 is going to be 60 degrees here or 30 degrees here. So it's going to be the same as minus cos 30, which is, I don't know, whatever, half or root 3 on 2. You can do that on your calculator. Okay, simplify cos 180 plus x. That's going to be minus cos x because it's in the tan quadrant. Find the exact value of minus tan theta. What I also didn't tell you is we can go around in the negative. 0, minus 90, minus 180, minus 270, minus 360. So if I wanted minus 120, it would be here. This would be 30, this would be 60. So it would be the same as positive tan 60 because it's in the positive tan quadrant. So whatever tan 60 is, I think it's root 3. That's your answer. Check it on your calculator. Put that in your calculator. It'll give you the answer. Okay, if sine is minus 3/5, sine is minus, so it can be here or here. And cos is positive, so it's got to be in this quadrant. Find tan and sec. Okay, it gives me sine, and it says it's 3 on 5. So opposite is 3, hypotenuse is 5, so adjacent has to be 4 because of Pythagoras' triangle. Now, tan is opposite over adjacent. Tan theta is 4/5, but because it's in this quadrant, it has to be a minus. Sec is 1 on cos. So cos would be adjacent on hypotenuse. So sec is hypotenuse on adjacent. But because it's in the cos, cos is positive, sec is cos, the answer doesn't change to negative.